Rantan and Weezy got ya from everything
Yeah, what's up guys, my name is Way Forward. Welcome to my Visual Basic tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be doing an example. So we'll be using the if statement as an example we'll be working on. So we'll just be doing a little grading system in which we're going to type in our grade and it's going to tell us the point we are in. So let's get started. So the first thing we need here is to design the output. I think it's high time I remove this. So in this program I'll be using just a single text field here. So I'm just going to remove everything here. I know why it's not deleting. Can't I delete everything at the same time or what? Oops, what am I having? Jeez. Oops, hope I haven't done something wrong like this. Let me just pause this and solve this issue. So welcome back. I've deleted or what is not meant to be in this program. So now the program is just for us to input our score here, and then there should be a message box that will tell us the point. So we're using the if statement to test for the score range. So now it's gonna be like if num1 is greater than or equal to 70. Sorry about this. So this is a simple way to test for a range of a number. So I said if num1 is greater than or equal to 70, and I told you previously greater than or equal to 70 says that it's going to start counting from 70, and num1 is also less than or equal to 100, then there should be this output. So I didn't talk about this conditional statement. So the conditional statement we have here is and then we have the or, the and then the or. So I'll be talking about these two, the and the or. So you can see that the and the or. So what the and is saying, or what it means, is that the two conditions must be met. Once the num1 is greater than or equal to 70, and then the num2 is less than or equal to 100. If the two conditions are met, then this is going to happen. So let me just run this for you to see. So if it is greater than or equal to 70, and then it's less than or equal to 100, so let's try something like 79. You can see we have an output. But we have something like 101, which is be above the condition, then there is no output. You can see. So what if it is the or statement? The or statement says that one of the conditions must be met. So if it is greater than or equal to 70, if we have 101, I believe we should have an output. You can see display, because this condition is met. It is greater than or equal to 70. You can see. And also if it is less than or equal to 100, if we have like 2, I believe there should be an output. You can see. So we can't use this here. That is why we need to use the and here. So when we have that, then our grade point is 5.0. So let me just copy this program and paste it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I wrote it down here. Pasted 8 times. So there won't be a contradiction in the grade. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So that's that here. So now if this is now greater than if this is 70 to 100, then this will be 69 to 74, right? So I think I should just take this to 75 to make this look good. So if it's 75 to 100, Then this is going to be 70 to 74. You can see that. Then 65 to 69. And then 60 to 64. Then 55 to 59, and 50 to 54, and 45 to 49, and as well 40 to 41. So let me go by changing the grids. So if this is 5.0, then this is gonna be 4.5, and also this is gonna be 4.0, then this should be 3.5, and this is 3.0. This is gonna be 2.5, then this is gonna be 2.0, and then this is gonna be 1.5. So the program is set and running, so you can just copy this down and test it. You can see 75 to 100, you have 5.0. so it's such that each condition must be met. No condition can clash with any other condition. So 40 to 40, oops, to 44. So 45 to this and this, 50 to 54, 5, like that, like that, like that. Okay, I think it's fine. So let's run this and see. So when we type anything here, 34, okay, we don't have that for now. There's no condition for that. So it's starting from 40. So let's say 47. You can see 2.0, and then let's say 89. That's 5.0. So this is just a simple way to do a grading system. So let me just go over this program again. I declared a variable which is num1 as integer. So anything imputed in this text box 1, which is here, this text box 1 will be passed into the num1. So that is why I use the num1 to test the whole program. So if num1 is greater than or equal to 75, and this is less than or equal to 100, then it is 5.0. So what the and is saying is that these two conditions, this condition and this condition, must be met. If the two conditions are true, then this output is going to come. If it is false, it's going to search through which of the if statement is true in it, then it's going to bring out the output. So that is just a simple grading system. Thank you for watching, and always remember to subscribe on my channel. It's the Way Forward Academy. Peace out.
Bend down, pause, maybe just bend down, pause, maybe just bend down, bend down, bend down, bend down.